Good afternoon, dear professor. In this video, I'm going to explain the main idea about how children learn language based on the first chapter of the Reading and Introduction to Psycholinguistics. First, one important idea is that children aren't born knowing a language, but they can learn it very fast. In fact, by the age of 4, most children can already use grammar rules and create different type of sentences. The text mentions that this ability is actually surprising, especially when we compare children with adults learning a second language. Now, the process of learning language starts very early. At the beginning, babies don't speak, but they produce sounds like crying or cooing. And later, around 6 or 7 months, they start babbling, repeating sounds like baba or mama. According to the text, this happens in all children around the world, even if they are learning different languages. After that, babies begin to say their first words, usually around 1 year old. These first words are often simple and may not be perfect, but they already have meaning. For example, child may say mama to refer to a person or even to express a need. Then, children go through different stages of speech. The first stage is called the one word stage, where a single word can express a complete idea. For example, just saying milk could mean I want milk. And this is also called the holophrastic stage. Next, children start using 2 or 3 words like one cookie or mommy go, and this is known as telegraphic speech because it includes only the most important words like nouns and verbs and usually leaves out grammatical rules. Later, children begin to add more grammatical elements like plurals, verb ending, and prepositions. Research mentioned in the text, like Brown's study, shows that children learn these grammatical forms in a similar order. For example, they learn ing forms and simple prepositions like in and on earlier than more complex structures. Another key idea is that language learning depends on three main factors: how easy something is to see, how meaningful it is for the child, and how clear the sound is. For example, children learn words related to actions or objects they can already see, like running or a dog or the different animals. Faster, it occurs faster than abstract grammar rules. Finally, the role of the environment is very important. Children learn language better when they hear clear, simple, and meaningful speech from adults. This type of speech, sometimes called parenthesis, helps children connect words with real situations. And to conclude, children learn language step by step, starting from sounds, then words, and later full sentences. And this process is also influenced by the environment, their experiences, and their ability to understand meaning before speaking. And that's it. Thank you so much, teacher.